In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a complete task list system in Obsidian, from a blank vault all the way to a fully organized, linked and reviewable task management setup you'll actually use every day. Obsidian is a powerful note-taking app built around plain Markdown files, and because everything lives locally on your device as simple text, it gives you total control over how you manage your work, your projects, and your personal responsibilities. If this sounds like something you need, please like and subscribe. It helps enormously, and let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Obsidian and navigate to the vault where you want to build your task system. A vault is simply a folder on your computer that Obsidian treats as your workspace. If you're just getting started and only have one vault, that's perfectly fine. Open it and you're ready to go. Once you're inside your vault, create a new folder and name it Tasks. You do this by right-clicking in the File Explorer panel on the left and choosing New Folder. The reason you want a dedicated folder is simple. It keeps your task-related notes separate from your journals, reference material, and project notes, so you can find everything quickly as your vault grows. Inside that Tasks folder, create a new note and call it something like Task List or Tasks Dashboard. This note is going to be your command center, the one place you open first thing in the morning to see everything that's on your plate. Think of it less as a to-do list and more as a living document that reflects what you're working on at any given moment. Now add your first actual tasks. In Obsidian, you write a task using a Markdown checkbox, which looks like a hyphen, a space, a pair of square brackets with a space inside, and then your task text. When you click that checkbox in preview mode, Obsidian marks it complete. This is standard Markdown syntax, which means your tasks are completely portable. They're just text, readable by any editor forever. As your list grows, you'll want to break it into sections so it doesn't become one overwhelming wall of checkboxes. Add simple category headers, work, personal, learning, projects, and group your tasks underneath each one. This takes maybe 2 minutes to set up, but it dramatically reduces the mental friction of looking at your list, because your brain isn't scanning through unrelated items to find what it needs. Next, add due dates directly inside your task notes, right alongside the task text. A simple format like writing the date in parentheses at the end of the task line is enough. Due dates anchor your work to time and help you decide what to tackle today versus what can wait. Without them, tasks tend to float indefinitely and never quite make it to done. One of the most powerful habits you can build in Obsidian is creating a daily note for each day and writing your tasks for that day directly inside it. Many people use the Daily Notes core plugin for this. Your daily note captures not just tasks, but also decisions, thoughts, and context. So when you look back on a Tuesday 3 weeks from now, you can see exactly what you were working on and why. Now link your tasks to their related project notes. In Obsidian, you create an internal link by wrapping a note name in double square brackets. So if you have a task that belongs to a website redesign project, you link directly to that project note. This turns your task list into a connected web of information rather than an isolated checklist, and it means you can always trace a task back to the full context behind it. Tags are another layer of organization worth setting up early. Add tags like #task, #work, #orgzit, or #personal directly in your notes. Obsidian's search and tag panel let you filter by these instantly, so you can pull up every urgent item across your entire vault in seconds, regardless of which folder it lives in. Mark your high priority tasks clearly, whether that's with an exclamation point, a priority tag, or simply by placing them at the top of their section, and keep related tasks grouped together. When you batch similar work, all your email replies, all your writing tasks, all your research, you stay in the right mental mode longer and get more done with less effort. For any task that feels too big to start, break it into smaller concrete steps right there in the note. A task like finish quarterly report means nothing to your brain on a Monday morning, but open the report file and write the executive summary introduction is something you can actually do. Small steps remove the hesitation that causes procrastination. Build a review habit by checking your task list at the start and end of each day. The morning check sets your intentions. The evening check lets you mark things complete and catch anything that slipped. Speaking of marking complete, when you finish a task, click the checkbox or change the space inside the brackets to a lowercase x. That simple visual change is genuinely satisfying and keeps your list honest. At the end of each week, create a weekly review note. Go through what you completed, what carried over, and what you need to plan for the week ahead. This is where most task systems fall apart. People track tasks but never review them. The weekly review is what keeps the whole system working. Over time, move completed projects and old task lists into an archive folder inside your vault. This keeps your active workspace clean without deleting anything. The history is always there when you need it. Return to your dashboard regularly to remove tasks that are no longer relevant and add fresh ones. Keep every task name descriptive and specific. Buy milk is fine. Send revised proposal to Sarah by end of week is much better. And wherever a task involves research or reference material, link directly to those notes so the context is one click away. You now have a full personal task management system inside Obsidian, organized by category, connected to your projects and daily notes, tagged for fast filtering, and built to be reviewed and maintained. The real power here is that it grows with you. The more you link, tag, and review, the more useful it becomes. Save this video and come back whenever you need a refresher as your system evolves.